fucking happiness that I never go to.
Yeah. That's why it's surprising to see people like build over here. So it's like what?
Kinda liking this pool too. It's on the iron side. I haven't missed a shot with it yet.
I'm kind of liking this. I think I might be able to get 30 bullets out of this AK. I'm not sure though. It's pretty
Make sure
low.
you have something else on your hotbar right next to it so you can just scroll to it.
Yeah, I have a Tommy bullet. I have a Tommy and a bullet. So like if I'm really in dire need though, I have a semi rifle too. I'll whip that out for long range, for like medium range or whatever. This is back at our base, isn't it? Literally.
Mhm.
Returning back to our base, so we'll get this and then go.
What's this?
deep
The furnace man that never comes outside is probably gonna be at it. Actually, he probably called it in, dude. That's like right above his base.
It should be. I'd laugh. This. I can agree with this current.
I concur.
And the rest are flaming homos like you. Oh my god. That's funny, right?
Now I'm mad.
Now I'm mad. Urgh. That hurts my feelings.
Leads us back to base so we can back in Jeparino.
Yeah, sure.
Jeparino.
Jeprin. Straight to say up late. I'm a Jeprin. I'm a Jeprin. I'm a Jeprin. It's to say up late.
Some kid just
Hey, it's
bowed me
Jeparin.
in the fucking face.
Yeah, get wrecked, faggot. You're trash.
Trash
His name was
player.
Frost, and he killed me full dead.
Yeah, it's probably the actual Frost.
Probably.
We're at the airdrop right now. We're by it.
Oh, me too. I'm just kidding. No, I don't even know where it is, dude.
Oh, me too. Oh, really? Cool. No, I'm not there.
I think
Could
I'm
be
on
wrong.
the...
Oh, 3 guys, 4 guys.
I thought I'm dipping under.
Yeah, put on your armor, Colby. Put on your armor, please, 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 please.
That
Put
one.
on your armor.
I did.
Push on this ridge, dude.
Headshot tag one.
Was that you,
He's
Bull?
ready. That. I'm out of my AK broke. My AK broke.
Switch to Tommy.
I'm dead, dude. I downed one. I don't know. I'm running back though.
Where's our
You got I'm running back, Evan. You got this.
Okay.
What side of the map?
Hold on. Stepping.
There is no.
Killed one.
Nice.
Got him. Killed another one.
Nice shot.
Killed another one.
Nice.
Killed the other one. I think they're all dead.
Kill another one. Kill another
Are
one.
they geared?
Kill another one. They're all
Yeah,
dead.
they're all
full
Good
kid,
idea.
dude.
They're all
What?
like this. Dude, my Evan.
This guy had
Oh my
so much
God.
pistol ammo on him for his freaking Tommy, bro. Oh my god.
200 rounds
Careful.
or
No,
what?
I mean like 3 stacks, dude.
Oh,
I'm pushing out of their bodies.
Okay. I'm like almost at the river. I just
Oh,
got
yeah,
it.
where is it?
Canyon.
It's Canyon.
Is it east?
Canyon.
Canyon.
Canyon? Okay.
Oh my god, bro. I'm not seeing that
Dude,
right
they were
now.
all trash, bro. Holy crap.
You got cucked, dude. Not gonna
I
lie.
got